Here! Ay shit! Lobat ako! Buti na lang meron akong solar charger. Oh wait! Charge!
Charge mo lang ng battery eh. Nag-charge ba? Nag-charge ba?
Nag-charge. Hindi nga. Oo, nag-charge siya.
Tingin, patingin. Paano nag-charge yan?
Hindi ba nag-charge eh?
Nag-charge yan? Paano nag-charge yan?
Gamit solar energy.
Talaga? Patingin niya.
Isa pa.
Oh! Cool! Balik!
Well, solar power is a conversion of the sunlight into electricity, either directly using photovoltaics or indirectly using concentrated solar power, or CSP. CSP systems use lenses or mirrors and tracking systems to focus a large area of sunlight into a small beam. PV converts light into electric current using the photoelectric effect.
Solar energy is not available at night, making energy storage an important issue in order to provide continuous available of energy. Both wind power and solar power are neither stored for when it can be used, or transported, or transmission lines, or where it can be used.
Solar charger. This is a universal charger used for mobile phone, PDAs, MP3, iPods, MP4, and digital cameras. We got universal cables which are used for this solar charger. We got Nokia phone. We have for iPod. We have for Samsung. We have for Motorola. And we also have for my phone. Universal mobile solar charger. It is very easy to use and it is affordable.
Yes, it is. Can you imagine? Isn't it great?
Yes, it is. In fact, we got a promo.
Really?
Yes. It is 500 pesos since we have a promo. It's buy one take one for just 1,000 pesos. And if you'll buy now, we got an introductory price, and we'll have a free of 2 trips to Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Hong Kong Disneyland.
Okay, Hong Kong Disneyland.
And you'll have a chance to win a trip to Europe, and it all expenses paid, tax free.
For more information, you can contact our director, Derek Ramsey, and the digits are 0922-811-9118 or 911-119.
For DTI permit number of 0089, series of 2010.
Ipakita sa mundo kung ano ang kaya mo. Ibang-ibang Pinoy, huwag kang matatakot. Ipagmalaki mo. Pinoy ako, Pinoy tayo. Pasko na, sinta ko. Hanap kita, bakit magtatampot? Nilisan ako kung mawawala ka sa piling.